Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your file and inserting a Zoom placeholder. Open your deck and save a copy so you can revert if needed. Then go to the View Ribbons Zoom area and choose Insert Right Arrow Summary Zoom, Slide Zoom, or Section Zoom. Pick the slides or sections you want to jump to during the presentation. Once inserted, PowerPoint creates clickable thumbnails on the current slide. This gives you an interactive map to navigate nonlinearly while keeping playback smooth and visual. Next, customize how your Zoom behaves and looks to control audience flow. Click a Zoom thumbnail and use Zoom tools to open format and playback settings. Make decisions like enabling return to Zoom so viewers come back to the menu, set transition durations, and pick thumbnail shapes or borders. If you have multiple Zooms, edit the slide master to apply uniform styles and save time. Make sure to test transitions in slideshow mode so the pacing feels natural and the visual focus shifts exactly where you want it. Finally, deliver confidently and know how to fix common issues. Present using slideshow or presenter view so you can click Zoom thumbnails or use keyboard shortcuts to move. For magnification during a slide, use Control plus the mouse wheel or view right arrow zoom to adjust zoom level on the fly. If a Zoom thumbnail doesn't jump correctly, rebuild it or verify the target slide number. Broken links often come from rearranged slides. Once done, run a full rehearsal to confirm transitions, timings, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.